The first time Mary saw the rotting vegetables being loaded into packages labeled fresh organic, she felt sick to her stomach, but the worst part was, this was just the beginning. Mary, 50 years old, worked the night shift at Green Fields Produce, a company praised for its 100% organic, farm-fresh branding. But the truth was rotten to its core. She had witnessed carrots so slimy they slipped from gloved hands, apples half devoured by worms, and lettuce stinking of mold, all washed in bleach solutions, relabeled, and shipped to high-end stores. When Mary confronted a supervisor, he sneered, "Customers don't buy food. They buy stories. And we sell them the one they want to hear." When she tried reporting it internally, she was threatened, "Keep quiet or lose everything." Fired and smeared as a liar by the company's PR machine, Mary's rage burned brighter. She turned to quiet, methodical resistance. Every night, under cover of darkness, she and two trusted allies, Hector, a retired farmhand with nothing left to lose, and Shonda, a single mom, who'd seen her son get sick from the tainted produce, snuck into the company's dumpsters, pulling out discarded labels, shipping manifests, even samples of rotten vegetables destined for sale. They built a secret archive in Mary's garage, photos, documents, videos, even voice recordings, of managers joking about poisoning the yuppies. Mary found an unexpected ally, Sam, a washed-up investigative reporter, who had once won awards, but now worked at a tiny local blog. She handed him the evidence, and together they crafted exposés too detailed to dismiss. Mary launched an anonymous website, with photos, videos, and insider documents. It went viral overnight. She organized a surprise mass protest. At Greenfield's biggest client supermarket, hundreds gathered holding rotting fruit and chanting, "What's on your plate?" She secretly recorded a meeting, where executives discussed bribing inspectors, and leaked the audio to the state attorney's office. Just when victory seemed close, Mary discovered that one of her trusted team members, the eager young worker she'd mentored, was a plant. He had been feeding information back to the company's legal team, helping them prepare a defamation lawsuit, meant to crush her financially. Instead of backing down, Mary doubled her efforts. She went public, revealing her name, her story, and the threats she had faced. Ordinary people, horrified by the company's deceit, donated to her defense fund. Former employees came forward with more evidence. A major national network picked up the story. The governor ordered an official investigation. Greenfield's Produce was raided, executives were charged, and the company collapsed under the weight of truth. Mary, once an invisible night shift worker, became a symbol of integrity and courage. With the help of honest farmers, she co-founded True Harvest Cooperative, a real organic supplier where quality meant honesty, not marketing. And every time she passed by a grocery store, and saw people picking fresh produce with trust in their eyes, she smiled, because this time, the food really was clean.